can begin whenever you want. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. We can begin whenever you want. The new Ibiza is fully connected. Within the SEAT Connect app, you have a lot of features right on your smartphone wherever you go. Driving data, get maintenance support, find your card if you forgot where you park it. In the new Ibiza with SEAT for Link, our smartphone screen is wireless mirrored on the central screen, making calling, texting or streaming music a fully integrated experience. Also, the new Ibiza comes with an optional Beats Audio, a high-fidelity music system. Totally immersive thanks to the 7 premium speakers and the integrated subwoofer. If you cannot go to the concert, let the concert come to you. We try to make the experience more customizable. That means that you can personalize the layout, interact with the system with regular talking, like hola hola, I'm hungry, and then you get a list of restaurants nearby. Not more artificial commands to talk with the system. The car has all the driving assistance needed. For example, the new Travel Assist helps you to keep the car inside the line and to maintain a safe distance from other cars. Even notifies you when another vehicle is coming through your blind spot. Now driving is more fun and less stressful. And there is one thing I really love of this. When you are driving at night and a car comes in the opposite direction, the Ibiza will lower the high beams, and that's really convenient, isn't it? No more in the middle of a car. The new SEAT Ibiza is the perfect car for our current life. Dynamic, safe, connected, and digital. We have indeed new alloy wheel designs. It is a very stylish improvement that goes along with the handwritten lettering of Ibiza and Arona that we are updating also in the rest of the SEAT range. It is quite normal actually. As I said, Ibiza is the car that makes your everyday life easier. Now, the new Ibiza is only in 5 doors.